To book a nice accommodation in Clarke Quay, you can follow these steps. Research. Begin by conducting online research to identify the various hotels and accommodations available in Clarke Quay. Consider factors such as price, amenities, reviews, and proximity to attractions or transportation. Booking websites. Visit popular hotel booking websites such as Booking.com, Expedia, Agoda, or Airbnb. These platforms provide a wide range of accommodation options, including hotels, hostels, and serviced apartments. Filter and compare. Use the filtering options on the booking websites to narrow down your search based on your preferences. Consider factors such as price range, guest ratings, facilities, and accommodation types. Read reviews and ratings from previous guests to get an idea of the quality and service provided by each accommodation. Focus on recent reviews to ensure the information is up to date. Check availability. Once you have found a few suitable options, check their availability for your desired travel dates. Keep in mind that peak seasons may have limited availability, so it's advisable to book well in advance. Compare prices. Compare the prices of different accommodations to find the best deal. Pay attention to any additional charges or fees that may apply, such as taxes or resort fees. Contact the accommodation if you have any specific questions or requirements. Contact the accommodation directly via email or phone. They can provide you with more information and clarify any doubts you may have. Make the booking. Once you have decided on the accommodation that meets your criteria, proceed with the booking. Follow the instructions on the booking website, or contact the accommodation directly to make the reservation. Provide the necessary information, such as your name, contact details, and payment information. Confirmation. After completing the booking process, you should receive a confirmation email with the details of your reservation. Double-check the dates, room type, and any special requests to ensure everything is accurate. Payment. Depending on the accommodation and booking platform, you may be required to pay up front or upon arrival. Follow the payment instructions provided during the booking process. By following these steps, you should be able to book a nice accommodation in Clarke Quay that suits your preferences and budget. Enjoy your stay. Subscribe and like. Thank you.